In this video, I am going to share with you 7 mistakes which people make on their way to lose weight. By sharing this with others throughout the world via the internet, it might be able to help people avoid the mistakes they make. So, here are the 7 mistakes that a person can make while trying to lose weight. First one is you start to skip breakfast. Most people trying to lose weight believe simply eating less and skipping meals helps shed that fat. And breakfast is a real easy meal to skip. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make when on a weight loss diet. If you leave the house in the morning on an empty stomach, you are much more tempted to eat more at morning tea and lunch times. And calories you eat at breakfast times are easily burned throughout the day. Second one is you eat one day and not the next. You literally eat about 2000 plus calories one day, feel guilty and end up eating about 700 calories the following day. If you starve yourself throughout the day, you are much more likely to eat more in the evenings, which is not going to help you lose weight. You should consume most of your calories in the morning. Third one, you bring diet food. When you go shopping, you always looking for the foods marked diet, low fat, healthy, etc. This is a good practice to get into, but you buy these foods for the wrong reason. You buy these foods because in your mind it means I can more. You will totally disregard portion size. If you eat diet food in large portions, you are not doing yourself any favors. You always think you are fat. That is the fourth one. This is mindset that you must break if you want to lose some serious weight. Sometimes it feels like you are doing the right things and not making any progress. This is totally natural. You need to focus on being happy and healthy and achieving your goals. Try not to get caught up in the big picture. Fifth one, start to eat salad as main meals. Eating salad is a good way of keeping your calorie intake down right. Yes, meal of salad has much less calories than a pizza, but does it have the satisfaction? When you eat, your mind needs to get some satisfaction from what you have just eaten. You will find that when you eat salads for meals, a few hours later you are back like a cupboard looking for more food. You will learn that better off eating a balanced meal with slightly more calories than simply eating a salad and snacking afterwards. Another one is start your new diets on Mondays. When you find a new diet that you decide, you are going to try always start it on a Monday. This means you will eat all in the weekend like you are never going to eat again. Doing this, you are just setting yourself up for failure. Last mistake is you are embarrassed to go to the gym. Taking the plunge and joining a gym is one of the hardest things. You always worry that people in the gym are staring at you and talking about you. You really think you are too fat to join. My advice is to join a gym. You will be glad you did. You look forward to going to the gym then. So, there you have it. These are the mistakes you make always. Lose your weight and help others with weight loss and keeping healthy.